Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oven cornbread. First, gather all your ingredients and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. A 9-inch cast iron skillet is ideal for achieving that perfect crispy crust. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature for the best texture. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth baking process and a consistently great outcome. Now let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients thoroughly. In a separate bowl, whisk together all your wet ingredients until they are well combined and smooth. Then, gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir just until everything is moistened. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread, and we want it tender. It's time to bake. Carefully pour your prepared batter into the hot, greased 9-inch skillet. Place it into your preheated 400-degree oven. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cornbread is perfectly baked and ready. Once baked, let your cornbread cool in the skillet for about 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This allows it to set properly and prevents crumbling. Serve it warm with a generous pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside your favorite chili. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, if it lasts that long.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.